Hello, hello. This is the My Artifact episode number 4094. Today's date is June 11, 2026. It's been almost like a morning at 8:01 a.m. Am I looking old? Like, I don't know why, but this kind of like a hair and this kind of like a cell hair. Yeah, I'm kind of like looking like old, probably. It sounds so strange. Yeah, I shouldn't supposed to be look like that, but still, yeah, this that's why I didn't really kind of like a trim down. The problem is that na ki if I kind of like a trim my entire beard, then basically those those whiny strand, it kind of like a pop up very brightly, and that's why I'm just kind like look like a little bit of. And also I didn't really cut my hair. I have to be cut my hair. Yeah, I usually cut my hair every single month. uh, yeah, that is a kind of like a growth I get. Okay, my hair is a kind of like a, so much, and I don't like too many hair on my head. Kind of like as much as less is possible, but still, whatever. Like in the summer I usually kind of like a trim down, but still it's fine. Yeah, yeah, I'm kind of like a look little bit of old. Yeah, whatever. Let's just jump into the question. Okay. All right, so question is, what kind of like a person that I wanted to become. Okay, first of all, what exactly is this question and why am I asking this question to myself? A couple of days ago, I read a book, Seven Habits of Highly Effective People by by Stephen Covey, not Dale Carnegie, Stephen Stephen Covey, and it was a really amazing book. Um, I wanted to implement the value that book taught me. How do I supposed to do that? By asking question to myself and giving the honest answer. So I went to ChatGPT. I said that yeah, I read this book. I wanted to implement the value. Suggest me 20 question. ChatGPT kind of like a suggest me 20 question, and this is one of those question. By the question actually in the mobile phone, but because of the recording, I cannot able to do anything at all. So that's why I wrote the question in here. Okay, this is the new book that I'm reading, The Principia of Isaac Newton. It was one of the biggest book. Also, let me tell you one thing. Okay, yesterday was kind of like a first day. I was kind of like reading a book, and this book is just like basically is this thing. Okay, these are kind of like some sort of doodles that I did for kind of like some understanding the book a little bit better. These are kind of like some sort of diagrams that I put down regarding about how the gravity works. Okay, these are kind of like some definitions. Okay, like basically is this thing that key okay, let me tell you one thing now. Okay, so these are the definition of mass, which kind of like something determined by the Isaac Newton, but he didn't mention the mass. Okay, he kind of like mentioned that the quantity of matter is a measure of some of the sum arising form of density and bulk conjugally. Oh my god, the language is kind of like a far more difficult. Okay, so basically in textbooks, okay, we have a kind of like a definition of mass. A mass is a kind of like a somebody have a like a mass is equal to force into mg. Okay, force like a gravity, um, gravity gravity into mass. Yeah, gravity into mass. So w is equal to f. uh, w is equal to uh, mg. Sorry, f is equal to mg. Sorry, I am completely forgot the kind of like only the kind of like that numerical formula. That is a probably would be kind of like a something that key f is equal to mg or something that key, um, like it's a kind of like a thing that if you want to calculate your mass. Okay, so basically is this thing that na, ki whatever the weight that you have. Okay, yeah, and whatever the kind of like a something the gravity that you have. Right now I'm living on the planet earth, so my gravity is 9.8. Okay, so basically this thing that key, basically just a weight divided by kind of like a something 9.8, the whatever the value that it get, that is a mass. Okay, so so what is exactly my mass? Okay, so if I'm doing the calculation, by the way, so weight, I have a kind of like a something weight of almost like a 85. Okay, so 9.8 divided by 85. So oh my god, how do I supposed to do this calculation? Okay, this is kind of like a uh, uh, dude, I can't do, I cannot do the simple division. 9.8 divided by 85. Oh my god. Okay, bear with me. I am not really a kind of like a really good mathematics, and still it's been almost like a year I haven't really done that thing, but still I'm trying. Okay, yeah. 9.8. No, open. 10. Like basically it's this thing that uh, like if I'm kind of like a 10, then kind of like a something 8. Okay, 8. So if I'm just kind of like a putting the 8, then remaining 5, but that is not 8, so probably would be um, okay, so there is a kind of like a something point. How do I kind of like a do the division of point? If I'm kind of like a doing the division of point, then probably would be like a 0 point. Okay, then 95. So 98. Oh my god, I cannot do the division, dude. I cannot do the oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Sometimes now I just kind of like so embarrass myself that I'm thinking about that key so much thing. So I can't do the simple division. 9.8 divided by 85. This is one of the simplest form of division. I can't do that thing. I just, did I completely forget? uh, how do I supposed to do the division of 9.8 divided by 85? Ah, like there is a zero, na? Like it should supposed to be 0, right? Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Okay, like this is kind of like a really very serious thing. Okay, if I'm can't do the division, then this would be kind of like a really fuck. I need my, like I need to know how do I supposed to do the division. Wait. This is my mother phone. I have to know how do I supposed to do the division. Okay. Still, it felt really embarrassing, dude. Like I can't able to do the simple division. Then it just like, okay, why is hanging so lot? Okay, yeah. So 9 point 8 . divided by 85. uh, like it kind of like directly says that 1.115298. Okay, yeah, so this would be okay, yeah. Worksheet. The mathematical answer of 9.8 is 85 is 0.11522941. That's or 49 simplified. 2 is the nearest. 5 13. Continuous progress. Oh shit, yeah. Literally it's just like that, na. Okay, let me tell you something what exactly happened. Okay, so basically for this division, yeah, like when the pointer actually kind of like came, there is a kind of like a 9 point. So for the 9 point, I kind of like put the apply 0 over here. So when I put the 0, then probably that it would be kind of like a value of 98 divided by 85. So obviously 98 is a kind of like a something much more higher number. So it would be just to like a basically 1, then probably 1, then minus 98, then probably something that key like basically it went to minus. Okay, how much minus is that key? 5 plus kind of like a 8 minus 12. Okay, so minus 12, so probably would be kind of like really, oh my god, I can't do the basic division, dude. Oh my god, I can't do the basic division. Shit. 1.1 1.15 5 2941 2941. I'm sorry. Like basically it doesn't really make sense at all if I'm not doing just simple kind of like a division. What exactly it means? Like obviously I am not allowed to kind of like a record artifact. I'm not allowed to talk. I'm not allowed to kind of like think about so many big stuff. If I'm not doing the kind of like a something stupid, just kind of like a something things, I have to be question myself that I'm not doing this thing and that. Oh my god. So basically I have to be asked this question that if I am not kind of like doing the simple kind of like a division, then what exactly is this thing? Am I allowed to do what? Okay, one thing for sure is that obviously why am I not doing that much kind of like a division? Like what exactly is this reason? The reason is that wait, the formula is a kind of like a very much wrong, na? Yeah, the formula is wrong. Wait. The formula is wrong. Um, wait. How do I calculate my mass? How do I calculate my mass? So basically it's this thing that key, to calculate your mass, divide your weight by acceleration due to gravity. So on the earth, that is true, that I knew. Okay, so mass is equal to weight upon gravity. Okay, so my weight is kind of like a something that key, um, yeah, the formula is a kind of like a mass is equal to weight divided by gravity. So if I calculate the mass, then my weight is a kind of like a something that 85 divided by 9.8. So if your weight is on 700 newtons. Okay, I don't really get it why there is a kind of like a something 700 newtons. Like my weight is a kilogram now, then newton is kind of like it does not really make sense at all. Okay, probably mass is equal to density upon volume. From the density volume point of perspective, from force by acceleration, mass is equal to force upon acceleration. Oh shit, I am not knew anything at all. I like when I was kind of like doing like this kind of like only numerical, solving the numerical, I was able to do this thing. Right now I can't. And yeah, I apply the kind of like a something, the kind of like a something like I don't really understand why the kind of like a weight converted into the newtons. Newton is a kind of like a unit, by the way, but how do I supposed to be do this thing? I'm not really sure, because the gravity is a kind of like a 9.8 meter per second square. So from that point of perspective, you have to match the kind of like a unit. So that's why the weight, it should my weight is a kind of like a 85 kilogram. Okay, so weight, um, my my weight is uh, 85 uh, kg. uh, what is in WT Newton. Okay, yeah. So basically is this thing that my weight is a 85 gram of mass. So 85 gram of has a weight of approximately 833 newton on earth. So 8. Okay. So basically is this thing that key, the newton is actually calculated by weight of your body into 9.8 meter per second square. So if my weight is a 85 kilogram, then my kind of like a something that key, my exact like in the newton format, my weight would be 833. Okay, so if I'm kind of like doing this calculation from 833, so my like okay, so basically is this thing, the formula that I kind of like did it was wrong. Okay, wait, it was kind of like that. It was this kind of like a something that key, 9.5 divided by 833. Okay, so this is a kind of like a things. Okay, so this is okay, sorry, 9.8. Okay, so 9.8 is a kind of like a something my gravity, and this is a kind of like a something my weight. Okay, in newton. Okay, in newton, 833. So right now I have to be do this kind of like a simple division. Okay, so 0 point, okay, uh, 98. Okay, so 98 divided by 833. So still I cannot do the division. Okay, like I did not know the kind of like a part of 98. So if I just kind of like do this like mm, 9.8 uh, divi divided by 833, then my weight would be, sorry, my mass would be 1 point, like how is that supposed to be? Are like a 0.011. Yeah, this is doesn't really make sense at all. Okay, my base is, I'm kind of like making a mistake. Okay, I am kind of like putting the formula very wrong. Wait, let me ask that directly. Okay, my weight is 85 gram. Uh, what is my mass? Okay, so I'm just asked directly. My weight is 85 gram. What is my mass? Your mass is 85 kilogram. In everyday conversation, weight is a kind of like a simply and mass are used by the interchangeable, but science and means the mass is a kind of like actual amount of matter in your body. It says exactly in the same matter you are. Okay, weight is a kind of like a major pull down. You have earth is 85 gram as a result. So kilogram force is a kind of like, and if you went to the moon, your mass would be kind of like 85, but your weight is as much as less because your moon, if you're tracking the specific purpose, dude, it just, okay, this is, it says okay, okay, I kind of like put directly, it says that ki my weight is 85, so it kind of like says that my mass is also 85 kilogram. How is that possible? Like basically if my weight is 85 kilogram, then my mass would be 85 kilogram. This doesn't really make sense at all. This doesn't really make sense at all. Like, am I kind of like making a mistake, or am I kind of like telling something wrong? My weight is 85 kilogram, so that is true. So my mass is also 85 kilogram. Kilogram. Am I making my mistake? Like, what is actually my weight? My weight is 85. 85 kilogram or 85. 85. Oh my god, this is really fuck, dude. Okay, I have to be end here. Okay, I will gonna record the artifact definitely, but I have to be kind of like a calculate my weight. Okay, because sorry, I have to calculate my mass, because it doesn't really make sense at all, because kind of like somebody Google is kind of like telling me that my mass is exactly equivalent, exactly kind of like somebody weight exactly as a weight, like basically my weight is 85, so my mass is also 85. Probably is this thing that ki 85 kilogram, that's why it kind of like a represent as a kind of like somebody 85 mass, but I have to be figure it out something else. Okay, and I am really dumb. I can't do the simple division. I am really fuck, I am really dumb, and even after all that dumb, I'm kind of like still thinking about lot of stuff. If you wanted to judge me, I am so fuck, I'm sorry. Okay, listen, I did the mathematics. Okay, and actually my mass is 85. It's not a kind of like a thing that key, like, okay, let me kind of like tell you what exactly happened. Okay, this is kind of like one of the biggest confusion that I was kind of like expecting, but the answer is actually in front of me, but I didn't really knew the answer. It was that answer. um, okay, so basically let me tell you the problem that I was kind of like suffering from. Okay, so I was kind of like thinking that ki weight and mass is a kind of like a two different terminology. Okay, but and usually kind of like a weight means like that ki mass into gravity. right? So whatever the mass that you have, like a kind of like, okay, let me kind of like explain these things in even more simple language. Okay, so okay, so this is a kind of like a, let's just say, okay, so there is a so if I wanted to calculate my kind of like a something, wait, what is that is the formula? So the formula is that key weight is equal to mass into gravity. Okay, so basically it's this thing that key my weight, okay, so WEIGST, weight is equal to mass into gravity. Okay, so this is a kind of like a formula. I know my weight. My weight is a 85 kg. Oh yeah. I don't know my mass, so I kind of like a put that mass. My gravity is a 9.8. Okay, so this is a kind of like assembly, the formula. I need to calculate my mass. Okay. The problem is that, okay, the weight that I have is not the weight that I already have. Where do I get this number? This 85, where do I supposed to get this number? I went to hospital. I kind of like a stand on that weighing machine and it pointed towards the 85. So probably my weight is a 85, right? But let me tell you one thing now. It's not the weight that you think it is. Okay. The weight is a kind of like a things that this is your mass. Okay. The weight is a kind of like a, let me tell you one thing. The weight is that weight is equal to, like, if I kind of like assembly calculate the kind of like assembly mass into the gravity, so m into g. So basically let me tell you one thing, that the weighing machine is already calculated my mass. Okay, yeah, and it already kind of like a into 9.8. Okay, so if I'm kind of like a do the reverse engineering, like a to kind of like a calculate my weight, so my weight is kind of like 833 Newton. Okay, yeah. Now, where is that 833 Newton came from? The 833 Newton is a kind of like a assembly that the applied force. I am actually applying force now to the surface of the planet of the Earth. What do you mean by that? Okay, yeah. So this is a kind of like assembly gravity. Okay, yeah. You don't really understand the concept of the gravity until you try to understand things in that. Okay. When you push some sort of object to somewhere, okay, yeah, that is called like basically I am pushing earth towards downward. Okay, because of my force am I applying. The force is actually calculated by Newton. Okay, it's not really good thing to kind of like a wasting time to looking at this and kind of like a something that, okay, whatever. Okay, like I'm kind of like a pause because of this kind of like a disturbance and things and that. Okay, so basically it's this thing that, okay, you are kind of like hearing me properly now. Okay, this is a kind of like a one thing that you have to understand. Okay, so I went to hospital. I stand on that weighing machine and it kind of like pointed that 85. Okay, so 85 is already my mass. It's not my weight. Okay, it's already my mass because that machine already calculate everything. So basically if I went to space, if I went to moon, or if I went to anywhere on the universe, my mass is always been same, is 85. Okay, it's been always been 85. Okay. Weight is a kind of like a very. Oh! Oh! Sorry about the disturbance. Ah! Sorry about I'm getting a lot of disturbance. Thank you.